Good morning, John Gilkison, Aero Stealth here. It is Thursday, August 15th, 2024, and I'm at the Flying J in Anthony, Texas. You can see the Flying J building back there. And we came down here to look at the GM Pilot Flying J electric charger installation. They have their own canopy, which you can see back here. It says Flying J on it. On this side it says GM Energy. And there's just two units here, and they are there's two dispensers on each unit. They're not in service yet. But I wanted you to see them. They still got the plastic on them. Apparently they don't have the transformers installed yet to supply the energy. They're both 350 kilowatts, so they're going to be fast chargers. Our Ionic 5 will charge from 10% to 80% in 18 minutes on one of these. Everything's working the way it's supposed to. So I'm very pleased to see these. I'm very pleased to see dispensers with a canopy. That's a big plus. So a little progress is being made. We have a charging desert. They have DC fast chargers in El Paso. Now we're going to have one in Anthony, Texas. The only DC fast charger I know of for non-Teslas in Las Cruces is at the Hyundai dealership, which of course isn't open after hours. So once this is in service here, you still would have to make it all the way from Anthony, Texas to Socorro, New Mexico before you'd run into a DC fast charger for non-Teslas. So I don't know why they aren't addressing this I-25 corridor more seriously, but this is a good start when they get it in service. This sure will help. So that's why I came down here today, was just to take a look at these and share them with you. Bye bye everybody.